Hi, and welcome to week 4. We'll be continuing to discuss realism this week. Just as a quick reminder, realism is broadly defined as running from the end of the Civil War, 1865, until about the beginning of World War I, around 1914. Keep in mind that realism was a rejection of the earlier Romanticism, which we've discussed already. Instead of ideal people in ideal situations, life as we would like it to be, realism rebelled against that idea and focused on real people in real situations, their innermost thoughts and feelings, and not always the pretty part of life or people in general. Again, you'll look at 3 women writers. This time it's Charlotte Gilman Perkins with the yellow wallpaper, Sui Sin Fa with Mrs. Spring Fragrance, and Zetkala Shah, who wrote an autobiographical piece that you'll read some excerpts from, as well as a piece of fiction. The first one, The Yellow Wallpaper, is fairly well known and does a great job at looking at that realistic depiction of an inner landscape and madness. And a lot of times students love to write about this for the research paper. The other 2 are not as well known in that they are, well, for example, Sui Sin Fa is an Asian writer, considered probably the first true Asian American writer. And in Miss Spring Fragrance, she'll look at Chinese immigrants trying to assimilate into an American way of life and sort of looking at the customs of the 2 countries. Zetkala Shah is a Lakota Sioux Indian, and she wrote the 2 pieces that you'll look at. One is autobiographical, and you'll read 3 excerpts from that of a young Indian girl growing up. It's written from the point of view of a girl, and it is true. Interestingly enough, the second piece you'll read, The Soft-Hearted Sioux, is fiction, and it's written from the standpoint of a man. So don't let that throw you off. Again, a thinking piece, a critical response paper, and it's going to be an interesting week. So let me know if you have questions, and I'll see you at the end.